Hi you guys, so this is what I got from my exchange partner on my Rebecca Hoot Christmas Ephemera envelope swap is what it was called. And I thought I would open it with you and show it to you. Both packages came wrapped in some pattern paper with a little bow on top. I already took that off, but it was so nicely wrapped. It was really cute. I'm gonna save that and use it for my journals. And then I thought I would open this with you. I thought you might want to see what I got. It's so much stuff, right? Isn't it cute? Okay, so let's start with this one. I love everything. Look at that. That is such a nice little envelope to keep everything in. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that little, oh, it's like a little envelope. Oh, some stickers in it. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go through everything and show it to you. Cute. Oh, and another one full of more stickers. Oh my goodness, I love all of this. Oh. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up and put music on just so you can kind of see everything get unwrapped. So we'll go ahead and do that. But just know I love all of it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Tons of little die cuts. Look at that. Oh, cute. I love it. Wow, now these are just little pieces to put in those little pockets that you make that are clear, like a shaker pocket, little wreaths and little Santa heads. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this, all these little stamps. Oh my gosh, so cute. And tickets. Ugh. And an ugly sweater kit. How cute, I can't wait to make it. So cute. Inside of this bag were these. My camera cut out just a few minutes earlier, so I had to re-film this last part. Look at that. All these little, look at, I love these. Look at that little ice skater. And then inside of this bag right here, which is so adorable, with a little baby little clip on it, was this little pocket that she made out of a doily, and she just sewed this, and these things were inside of it. Such a cute idea. And then this little card. I love it. It's so cute. And a little calendar. It's like a little calendar kit. I love it. And then some frames. Super cute. This little bag. Look at that. I love this little Santa. I think I actually sent her some. But look at all these. Oh, I can't wait to get started. And then this adorable journal card. And then this tag, and it has like a little pocket inside of it. Let's see, like that. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love all of it. And then let's go ahead and go through this. Some more pieces of ephemera. Oh, cute. Look at this little journal. Look at how cute with these little rings on it so that you can open it up and add more to it. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I see, you can put little stuff inside of each of these pockets. Oh my gosh, I love this little journal. You can totally fill it up because it has tons of room to grow. Cute. Nice. These are just some pages I can add into another journal. Look, and you can put photos in here. Cool. Lots of extra pages. Oh my gosh, so I can just make another journal. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh, all of this stuff, it was so adorable. I love this whole trade that I did. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye. I have so much stuff to work with in my holiday journal. Thanks so much, swap partner.